University of East London welcomed hundreds of our students, staff and community members to our Stratford campus for a Community Health Day and Winter Festival. The energy was unmistakable as we launched our new Neighbourhood Health Hub, a pioneering project bringing primary care closer to home. It's a proud milestone for our community and a flagship event of our Year of Health.
It's been a wonderful day of community. It's been lovely seeing our students having fun, meeting up with colleagues in real life. This truly is the start of Christmas.
I had never seen these kind of things before, so I'm enjoying it and learning new things, connecting with new type of peoples and new culture, which I really like.
You know, coming into the country can be a little bit overwhelming and everything, so our spirits have been uplifted today. My friend says this is the most fun she's had since she came into the country, so yeah, it was lovely.
Today we can see that the community has come together to celebrate and to enjoy ourselves in our winter festival. One of the best things that happened today is the workshop that's been taking place in the University Town Hall.
What made today's event different? Having that stand to write how I'm feeling made me a bit lighter. I felt a little bit good because I did write some things out about how I'm feeling.
Anytime I look back on today, it's going to be fun. This is actually the first Christmas I'm actually having fun.